Hello all my crafty friends, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I am going to be making some page kits using Vicki Boutin's color study. I believe I have some page kits already made, so some of these pages might be already taken out, but that's okay because, you know, I just want to use the stuff that I have and kind of play around with things. So I did pick out a few pictures. So I have right here some pictures of me and my cousin when we went to a Ravens game. I have some pictures of Stella and her cousin, and I just thought her cousin's outfit, like, it just spoke Vicki Boutin color study. And then this one right here is a picture of me. So I already have like looked through. Now let me just tell you, I do have plenty of stuff from this collection. I have a whole stack of things that I'm going to be using with this collection. However, I want to make some individual page kits. So this is what I like to do, and I like to just sometimes work with the same collection, sometimes work with separate ones. But let's go ahead and get started. So I already saw this photo of me and thought of this page right here is pretty stinking cool. And I don't know what it is, but I just think the colors match. I have this bright neon. This is a blue shirt, but it's actually coming out like purple in this page or photo. I have some pink on, which kind of matches here. And then the background is kind of this color of like the yellows and oranges. So this is going to be my main page for this. I don't know why, I love it. I think that it just looks really, really cool. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to put that off to the side, and I'm going to pick another page that kind of matches that and see if there's something else I could add to it. If not, that's fine. I think what I might do, let's see. I kind of like this one right here. Kind of brings in a little bit of polka dots, but I kind of feel like this background does itself. Like, I kind of feel like I don't want to add anything, maybe like a couple of embellishments. So I don't think I'm going to add any papers to this one, just because I just don't want to. It's so pretty and I don't want to like cover it up as much. So we're going to leave that like that. That's our plan. And then we're going to go on to the next one. So I'm just going to move this stuff over here. The next one is going to be a picture of Miss Stella and her cousin. And so I definitely want to bring out just the tie-dye and her cousin's outfit. And let's see, I already was looking through this and just flipping through. I knew which one I wanted to use for this one. I was thinking I would use this. Like, how cute is that? It's got the green, it's got the different polka dots for her outfit. I just love it. So I think we're gonna do that for that one. And I think for that one, I might add a little bit of red if I have any. I might not have any red, but that's okay. If anything, like, I think that's gonna be just too busy. That's just gonna be too much, too busy. I could add some of the green or this black. Oh my gosh, I love that black. It's so pretty. Okay, so you want to go with the green. And so we're gonna go with, here we go. We're gonna go with these two for this one. All right, and then our last one is going to be of the Ravens game that we went to. So I already know I want to do this purple. I already know I want to use this purple up. It's hard to find purple. I think there might be another purple, but it might be a little bit lighter. Let's see. I was going to use this. So I was going to use this because I wanted to bring in some of the black. So if I use that, what purple looks good with it? Does that purple look good with it? Or does it, ooh, I like the green too. Or does that purple? I think definitely the dark purple, guys. Definitely the dark purple. All right, and I could add this red one to this one too. But there's no red in, I mean, there's a little bit because Stella's red is there. Let's go ahead and add this one to the other one. I'm trying to get this taken care of. There we go. And I was thinking maybe if I cut this in half and use half of it for this layout, because there is some green in there. I mean, I definitely have this green I could go with, but I mean, we're kind of already using that up. Cute. Okay. I think that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I think I'm gonna leave it like that and just make sure that I could add half of this to this page and then half of it to the other. So love that, love that, love it. So cute. Cannot wait to play with this. And then we have this one as well, which if I could, do I have another green? I think I might. I could add that green to it. No, the other green has never mind. The other green has what I'm looking for. Okay, guys, so that is my plan. I'm going to leave it like that. I might put a little note in this one to say use half of the other green or add green to it. But that is that. I'm not going to show you guys the adding of embellishments yet, just because I'm just trying to play with paper right now. So that is that. I will be adding all of these to it when it comes time to that. And I just like to have fun with kits like this. So if you guys love page kits or making page kits, let me know down below. And I'm gonna stick all this in here so it all stays in one spot, and then once I'm done playing around with the embellishments, I will put them in their own pages. And what I'm thinking what I might do is actually going through and finding some layouts or sketches to make with them and kind of having fun that way too. So sometimes you need a little bit of inspiration. So that's that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.